TNXP stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. And look, as the only person in this space with 43,000 videos made over 5 years and documented everything, I've seen what's printing. Crazy part about TNXP is that it's been like such a decent bullish thing for me. Because I got this thing made in June, like 13th of June, or a month ago. Whilst it was sitting at $34.99, and all I wanted to see is just me doubling down on that. And guess what happened, bro? You just exactly that. This is kind of in the way, which sucks, but who cares? Beautiful delivery here as well. So this turns out to be like a decent W. And since we've delivered to the top, the likelihood that we just keep doubling down on that is still high. So how's this going to look like? Well, here's the top. Here's my demand zone. If I do not see the price pulling down and giving me a shift, then just know I'm buying. All I'm doing in the meantime, waiting for rules. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned with TNXP and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. It's free.